Hi everyone. So I will do another question now. I've already completed today's daily zero science question. So this is another question. Let's look at the question. So adjacent increasing sub-arrays detection 1. So we will be given arrays, a number of numbers. The question says we will be given we will be given array norms of n integers, okay, and an integer k. Determine whether there exist two adjacent subarrays of length k such that both subarrays are strictly increasing. Specifically, check if there are two subarrays starting at indices a and b, a is less than b, where oh my god, so many information. So until now what I understood is I just need to find if there are two subarrays inside this array and the subarrays should be adjacent and the length should be k. So if this is one subarray, then this should be another subarray, and the subarrays should be both strictly increasing. So 2 5 7, and it should have been 8 19, and strictly starting at indices a and b, a less than b, both subarrays. So it means those two subarrays should not be intersecting, you know, that's what this means, where both subarrays. Now why is my eyes are feeling like blurry, you know. So both arrays saw norms a dot a plus, what is my percentage, 7%. Laptop, I need to charge it, it's okay. Both subarrays norms a dot a plus k minus 1 and norms b plus k minus 1 are strictly increasing, okay. The subarrays must be adjacent. P is equal to a plus k. Oh yeah, I thought that this was something else, but this is just what they already said. So return true if it is possible to find subarrays and false otherwise. So here, is it possible? Let's see. So okay, 1 2 3 2 5 7. It is increasing. So it means, you know, it means that, so if two arrays I need to find strictly increasing, right? 7 3 4 5. This can also be one case. 2 5 7 and 3 4 5, isn't it? If this was an array given, then this would return true, right? Because there are two subarrays that is strictly increasing. So this is a subarray that is strictly increasing, and this is a subarray that is strictly increasing. Yeah. What if this is the case? 2 5 7 3 4 5. 2 3 4, and then again 2 3 4. This is also a true version, isn't 2 3 4 and 2 3 4? Yeah, this is also if this was an array given, then this would also satisfy our condition. Yeah, this would also satisfy our condition. Why is my hair like that? Then this would also satisfy our condition. Okay, so what is the edge case here then? What if it is 2 3 4 and then 2 3 4 5 and then 4 5 6? So I found 2 3 4. I found 2 3 4 first. What I mean is, what I'm trying to find is, so I just need two subarrays that are strictly increasing and it should be adjacent, right? Then why can I not go something like this? Like if it is ij, and then I can just look at the first 3 first, and then again look at this 3 and see if this is strictly increasing and this is also strictly increasing or not. See if these 6 numbers are it, you know. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, so this could be it, right? But what if this is not it? What if this is it? 2 5 7 8 9 2 is not it, but 5 7 8 9 to 3 is it? Can that happen? Like, do I need to look at every possible 6 numbers? So suppose 2 4 5 and then 6 7 8. Okay, so 2 4 5 6 7. So suppose this is 4 5 6 and 4 5 6 and 7 8. 2 4 5 6 7 8. I'm just trying to find a scenario where I have to look at all the numbers. I have to look at all the possible numbers. So 2 5 2 4 5 and 6 7 8, they are increasing. This sub array is increasing. So if this is 2 4 5, so for this one it should be greater. If this is 2 4 5 and then 6, if this is 2 4 5, no, I don't think I can create a scenario like that, isn't it? If this 2 4 5 and this, suppose if this is 7, it is not strictly increasing. Okay, it's 2 4 5 and then 6 7. If it is, if this first, if this subarray and this subarray does not match, then there is no way that this subarray and another subarray can match, isn't it? Yeah. So if this first one and then this is an easy question. This is an easy question, but I feel like this is hard because it is asked by Google, and that is why I have a preconceived notion that this question should be a little tricky. So I think that my brain is creating itself a self-limiting belief that it will be difficult for me to solve, even though this question might be easy. So I'm just trying to make this problem more complex. So let's close my eyes and then I'll just think for some time. So I just need to know if two subarrays are strictly increasing or not. So for that, I need to find that should be an adjacent. So, and k should be equal to 3. So brute force solution is to check for every adjacent numbers. So if 2 4 2 5 6 8 9 2, if this is the if these two are the adjacent one, and if not 5 7 8 or 9 2 3, if these are the adjacent ones. If yeah, so that is my brute force solution, right? I check everything, but I'm trying to optimize here. So if 2 5 7 and 8 9 2, if they are not what we want, then so suppose in this case this is not what we want, right? 2 4 5 and 6 7 7, it is not what we want. So obviously this will also not be what we want, because this did not work out, because there must be some number that was not decreasing. So even this will not work out. So where should I start looking at this then? So I just, if if this is not a valid space, then should I look at 5, 7, 8 and 9 to 8, 9 to 3? Oh my god, I have not started. What the hell? 2, 5, 7 and 8, 9, 2, then the solution should have come to me just by looking at it, within 30 seconds. And why am I still stuck? Two Subarrays. If those two Subarrays did not work out, then if those two Subarrays are not strictly increasing, then even if I move, it will not be strictly increasing. This is strictly increasing, that is strictly increasing, this is not strictly increasing, that is not strictly increasing, then it will not be strictly increasing. If these first 6 numbers are not strictly increasing, then this will also not be strictly increasing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then I think that I should just start from maybe this one. Eliminate the first 3, right? I'm hungry now. It is 10:47. I'm hungry and I need to sleep. So let's think for some more time. If it is not strictly increasing, I do not know where to start again. So if this does not work out, then where should I start? Actually, instead of just coming up with the solution, I think that it is better for me to come up with the examples. So I think that takeaway number 1, I should give myself to play with examples. Please, before trying to come with solution by way first, and then I will be more right. So let's go to I need to charge. So let's charge. I need to put this charge. Okay, and then I need to sit here. Okay. Charged. Okay, so let's do it now. I'm streaming, right? Yeah. So yeah, what was I doing? Yeah, so 2, 5, 7, I was trying to come up with the solution normally here. So 2, 5, 7, streaming, stop streaming. No. I don't know if it is lag or something. So this 2, 5, 7 and 8, 9, 2 did not work. So 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, right? So 2, 5, 7 and 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1. So 2, 5, oh my god, 2, 5, 7, 9, 4, 1. Then say so. Okay, so 257 892 3431 257 892 578 923 234 789234 is the answer. And for this one, 1 2 3 4 4 4 4. Yeah, there is no any solution here. So 257 789 234. So what how my mind came up with this, so this is for every three numbers that are increasing, I will just look at other three, so 89578, it is not increasing, it is increasing. I just want to look at editorial. There is no any editorial. So it looks like this question Google asked it very recently. I think I should work on this problem again tomorrow. Okay, I think I will go now. What can I say other than this? I don't know. I'll just make this video not private, not public. I cannot make this video public because I did not solve it properly. But I think there is takeaway. That takeaway is, I think I'm just doing mistake that I'm trying to come up with the solution just by looking at the question, but that is not a good approach. I should first just think about, you know, just don't think that I'm going to code, just think about, just go through the examples and just come up with the solution, as if someone asked you and they just want the result. So our mind is very intuitive and it just comes up with the natural background, when our mind comes, you don't have to think. You don't have to think with your mind. Think over the solution. You just give yourself the problem and it naturally solves the solution, and you just have to see how you solved the solution, you know how you solve the problem. So yeah, I think that is the trick. So I should follow that from next time. This is a big takeaway, and I think think I should follow this takeaway from next time to just solve the problem and just solve a few examples just by